So in our last video we talked about forex trading, what it was, and we talked about the sections which you can trade in. We talked about how you can convert the EST time to your country time. We talked about participants of forex trading, whereby we mentioned the retailer, we mentioned the central banks, and we mentioned the corporations. Then we talked about brokers and market maker, and lastly we talked about liquidity. Today we are going to talk about currency pair. So watch the video to the end because you are going to gain great value in understanding currency pair in my own way. So what is currency pair? In the forex market, currency are traded in pair. A currency pair is a quotation that represents the relative value of one currency against another. So to my right you can see the currency pair euro USD, and it's trying to tell you that 1 euro is 1.1302 dollars. So automatically you can see it represents the value of one currency against each other. So now if you have 1 euro and you are trying to buy USD, they are going to give you 1.13 dollar. I'm not saying this is the current price right now, but this is just an example. So for example, now you have a currency pair, right? What you should understand about currency pair is that there is one that is the base currency and the other is the float currency. The way I understood this was that saying that the first currency is always the home currency and the second currency is the away currency. So if I am in Nigeria, I can only change naira to any other currency that I have away from me. You understand? So US is away from me, Ghana is away from me, Cameroon is away from me, London is away from me. So I have to use my naira to exchange to any currency that is away. So that is the same way all these currency have been paired. Euro is paired to USD, and the first one, which is euro, in some cases the first one might be USD, but in this case the first one is euro. So automatically I can say euro is the home currency because that's the first one. So if I want to trade any currency pair, then I'm telling that broker that I want to convert my money to euro so that they can help me to use euro to buy USD. It's as simple as that. Let's see it from the chart right here. You can see the chart right here. You can see this is my rebalance. So this is my balance and I'm using the broker. You remember what we talked about broker in the last video? Broker help us, enable us to trade. So right now SNS is a broker and they are giving us this platform for us to trade. Now I am on the euro USD. You can see right here there are other currency pair right here. We have the euro USD, we have the GBP USD, we have the USD JPY right here, and this is my rebalance right here. So now what did I discuss with you before? All these ones right here are the home currency. So but I'm on euro USD, which is right here. So now if I decide that I want to buy this currency right here, right, what I'm trying to tell SNS is that they should convert my money to euro and use it to buy USD. You understand? So in the process of buying, then I want the price to increase in order for me to profit, because I cannot buy at that point. What is the point of me buying? I'm using the broker because I want to make profit. If I want to exchange euro to USD, I can just easily go to the bank in order to just do that without the aim of profiting. But anybody that is using broker, they have that aim of making profit. You understand? So now if I'm exchanging this amount or I'm clicking buy, they are going to convert any amount which I'm using to euro and then use it to buy USD. But since I'm aiming to make profit, if I buy at this point, I'll be waiting for the price to go up to this point for me to be able to make profit. It might not really go up to this point before I decide to make profit. It might just be at this point, might just be at this point, might just be at this point. It depends on where I'm satisfied. So same goes to sell, right? So if I'm clicking sell, they are going to convert any amount which I am selling with to euro, and I will be waiting for the price to drop down in order for me to profit. So it's as simple as that. But you understand that if you are in any currency pair, you are using the home currency to buy the away currency. But if you are clicking on sell, you are only selling the euro currency. You want it to drop down. You understand? The price for euro to USD to drop down. So we have three type of pair. We have the major, minor, and exotic pair. The major pair are widely traded, right? They have high liquidity and they are stable. You see what we talked about liquidity, or you remember what we talked about liquidity in our previous video. The major pair are always paired with US dollar. You can see example right below, the euro USD, USD and JPY, and we also have the GBP USD as well too. You can see them. So for the minor pair, the minor pair are so good, right? But they don't include the US dollar. So they are all only currency from major economy other than the US. So you can see example euro GBP. We also have the euro AUD, and we have GBP JPY. So the last is the exotic pair. These ones are one major pair with one currency from a smaller or emerging market economy. You understand? So they have low liquidity and high volume, right? So compared to major and minor pair, which are the best. So if you want to trade, you're a starter, you need to trade with major or minor pairs. Example of exotic pair include the USD Turkish Liran. We also have the Euro Turkish Liran, and then we have the USD Sweden Krona. Alright, with that being said, let's move next to how you can start trading Forex. What you need to start trading Forex is a broker, a reliable broker. And how do you know a reliable broker? It's a broker that is being regulated, as a user-friendly platform, and offer educational resources, because you need these resources because in case anything is changing the platform, at least they are updating you that okay, this is how you could navigate it, this, that. So a good broker is crucial because it will enable you to have a smooth trading experience. That is the reason why I love SNS a lot. So if you want to be part of my program whereby I teach you how to trade, you'll be able to be a successful trader, don't register SNS yet. Let me give you my link so that you can be able to register under me, so that we can be benefiting from each other. I'm not charging you for anything. I'm teaching you for free. So I want you to register under me so that at least we can benefit from each other and we can grow together. So if you are at this point of this video and you want to register a broker SNS, you can send me a message as well to my phone number is below the description if you want to reach out to me, so that we can trade and then make profit together. Otherwise, I will not be able to help you if you are not registered under me. So next is for you to get a profitable strategy and deposit minimum 500 US dollars. Some people will be wondering that why 500 US dollars? I can deposit 10, I can deposit this, I can deposit that. Well, I don't want greedy users, so I prefer people that can deposit 500 US dollars upward, so that you can be able to earn good profit without being greedy. Unlike people that are, I have many people that will message me and they will be like, oh, boss, I want you to teach me how I can be able to raise my $10 to $100 so that I can have something. No, I don't do such kind of trade because they are not realistic. They happen, but they are not realistic. I want to trade the way the bank wants us to trade, because people that trade $10 to $100 contribute to 90% of unsuccessful traders in the market. So I want to build my money in the right way, make profit in the right way. You understand? So it's as simple as that. So if you want to be part of the train, which I train people how to be a successful trader, and you have minimum 500 US dollars, so what are you waiting for? You just need to register under me, my broker, and then we start making profit together. I start putting you through and you start making profit together. So this is the end of the video. I want you to like, share and subscribe. Click notification bell so you get notified anytime I post my next video on this channel. So thanks for watching to this particular point. I will see you in my next video. Bye.